definitely stood out.
Very nice.
You know, we talked about in our mini date a little bit about your faith. So tell me a little bit more about that.
Both sides of my family are Jewish. It's just very important to me because that's my heritage. I would never want to convert. I don't think it's an option for me.
I believe that the path is through Jesus Christ. So I'm pretty strong in that belief.
We all
I'm very
are.
strong in that belief, but
My real question is, if we had kids, how would you want to bring them up? Because that's really the...
I'm a woman, they're going to be Jewish.
Okay.
I carry it.
Okay. I was very open about dating someone who wasn't a Christian woman because I felt I had a very strong chemistry with her. And then here, she's already laying the law of how she wants her children raised, which is fine. It's just not the way I want my children raised.
That's just the way it is. If you're a Jewish woman, Jewish kids no matter what. Do you want your kids to be Christian?
Yes. I never really thought of them as anything else.
My children will be Jewish, and that's really important to me.
Hey Patty, it's Jimmy. We just have a little glitch that's occurred.
What happened?
Angel came and she was smelling like alcohol. She's been drinking when I haven't been around her.
Jimmy, I also knew other girls that were really nice, and you went for the trailer. I didn't really necessarily think that she was the one for you. I thought Whitney, but you knew Whitney already.
I have Whitney's number and she's a lady. I
You
think
want to go out with her instead? You can do that. I'm giving you permission. And Whitney's not going to get drunk on the date.
The bimbo is a bit of a drunkapoo. And things go crazy when he realizes he picked the wrong girl and should have picked the girl that Patty, me, picked for him.